Yeah, good evening, everyone. Online students, is my voice is clear? Just respond in a chat box. Okay. Uh, GDBC introduction I given. Already 3 classes completed. Those who came today, just already told you, I taught 3 classes. 3 classes I taught. Okay. 3 classes. First class, I explained what exactly advanced Java. Second class, I explained how to learn advanced Java and what are the topics I'm going to cover in advanced Java. Third class, JDBC introduction I given. Okay. Today, fourth class. Those who missed starting 3 classes, you will get a recordings. No need to worry about that. You'll get a recording. Yeah, these are recordings. 1 minute. See, day 1, I taught what is advanced Java. Day 2, I taught how to learn advanced Java and what are the topics I'm going to cover in this course. Day 3, I started subject JDBC. Those who missed, just take a snap. Okay. Those who missed, online students, you can copy from chat box. Online students, you can copy from chat box. Okay. Those who missed, you can take a snap. Offline students. 3 classes. 3 classes completed. First class, second class, I taught only what is advanced Java, what you are going to learn in advanced Java, how to learn advanced Java. Day 3, I started subject. That is first topic, JDBC I started. Okay. Now, whatever I taught last class, I'll ask some questions, give me answer. I started JDBC, first topic. Okay. What is JDBC? Java Database Connectivity. It is full form. It is not definition, no? It is full form. Java Database Connectivity. It is full form. What is definition? It is a specification for developing database applications by using Java programming language. So it is a specification. But what is specification till not completed? I have to teach. Okay. It is a specification for developing database applications with Java programming language. Okay. But what is specification not completed? But what is database application completed? What is database application? An application that communicates with database is known as database application. What is application? An application is a program in which we interact with on the desktop. What is database? It's software and it is an organized collection of data. How the data organized in database? In the form of tables. What table contains? Fields and records. Fields and records. Whenever we install database software, how many parts installed? 2 parts. What is first part? Database application. Second part, database. Database application. Any example? SQL prompt. Example of database? Oracle. SQL prompt communicating with Oracle. By using which language? SQL. SQL full form? Structured query language. Oracle is a database or language? MySQL, SQL Server, MS Access, SQL, SQL is a language. All databases can understand one language, that is SQL. Will it database understand Java? No, database doesn't know Java. Database knows only SQL. Okay. Applications are communicating with databases by using SQL. SQL. Okay. These all you studied. Application, can I call it as a client? Database, server. What is client? Software sends a request to server to get the response. What is server? Receives the request, process the request, constructs the response, sends the response back. That is called server. Okay. If you write any one program, that program sending request to get the response, that program is called client. If any program receiving request, processing request, constructing response, sending response back, that program is called server. Okay. The year client and server communication programs you are going to learn. Already taught core Java, whatever you studied up to exception handling, it is called language. With that language, you are going to build applications. That is advanced Java. So the real-time Java starts from advanced Java. So real-time Java starts from advanced Java. So all online applications, internet applications, you are going to build with advanced Java. Say online shopping, online login form, online registration, online like examination, online results, all online applications. You are going to see an advanced Java class. Okay. All online application, internet applications you are going to build. Internet applications you are going to build. In these applications, many concepts will combine. See, for example, one diagram I'll show you. You observe. One online application example. Suppose this is one online application example. Diagram. You observe, it is advanced Java application. It is advanced Java application. You observe. Here, I think majority people, they are attending Oracle class. And some more people completed also, I think. Some people Oracle also completed. And majority people learning HTML, CSS, JavaScript also parallel, I think. Some people completed also, I think. Okay. But HTML, CSS, JavaScript, one class you attended. Oracle, one more class you attended. Core Java, one more class you attended. So most of the students, they attended 3 classes, I think. Some more people still continuing, I think. Okay. Like Oracle, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Next, Core Java. 3 classes. I think majority people, there are some more people attending, some people completed also. Okay. Now, those who didn't attend Oracle class till, either learn parallelly with advanced Java or learn later. But at last you have to learn. Okay. But even if you don't know Oracle, don't know SQL, don't know PLSQL, but you can continue advanced Java class, not a problem. Now, those who are studying HTML, CSS, JavaScript, they can continue. Those who didn't attend till, attend parallelly or later. But even if you don't know HTML also, you can attend advanced Java class, not a problem. You can understand. But those who didn't complete object-oriented programming in Core Java, better to wait for next batch. Object-oriented programming in Core Java class is mandatory to learn advanced Java. But even if you don't know these two, you can attend, not a problem. But those who don't know object-oriented programming, classes, objects, variables, methods, encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism, overloading, overriding, abstract class, interfaces, abstract methods, this keyword, static keyword, final keyword, super keyword, constructors. These all not completed means better to wait for next batch. Okay. Now, whatever you studied in Oracle class, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript class, core Java class, these all I'm going to combine in advanced Java class. That is advanced Java. So whatever you studied in 3 classes, those all concepts I'm going to combine in advanced Java class. That type you are going to see. That is advanced Java. So one full-fledged internet application you can build. Client side, server side, database, everything. Everything you can build. That is advanced Java course. See, example, this program you observe, this diagram you observe. If you see this diagram, it is nothing appears. Okay, it is nothing appears. Online students, listen the class. Listen the class, end of the session, I'll clarify your doubts. Okay, now, here, you observe, this diagram you observe. It is just an online results application. Online results. See, if the applications are in server, those applications, any number of people at a time from any corner in the world can access. That is the power of internet application. Applications are deployed in server. That application, any number of people at a time from any corner in the world can access. That type of applications you are going to build in advanced Java class. See, it is server. It is nothing but one software. It is one server. It's nothing but one software. What is Tomcat server, iPlanet server? We'll study later. In that server, this is one application. This is one application. Totally, it is one application. It has 2 pages. Like that, we'll call it. Now, like this, we'll place. If the applications are deployed on server, that application, any number of people at a time from any corner in the world can access. That is the power of internet application. See, for example, Google. How many people are accessing worldwide? Crores of people are accessing. Okay. Within a 1 minute, how many requests are coming to Google? Do you know? 2.5 crores. 2.5 crores of requests coming to Google. Within a 1 minute, I'm not saying 1 day, 1 hour. Within a 1 minute. Within a 1 minute, 2.5 crores of requests processed server side, you observe. 2.5 crores of requests coming to Google. That much popular Google website. Everyone will open internet. They start with Google only. Even if they want ICICI Bank website also, they'll open Google, they'll type ICICI inside. Even if they want Facebook also, they won't type Facebook. First to Google, inside of Google, Facebook. If they want Twitter also, they'll open Google, in that Google, Twitter. That's what Google, those many requests coming. Per minute, 2.5 crores of requests coming. But how it is possible? With server software possible. Server can process. Crores of requests at a time it can process. That type of applications you are going to build. So, applications, if you deploy in server, nothing but uploading. We are calling deploying here. If you upload in server, then that application, any number of people at a time from any corner in the world can access. Now, what you will do, you'll type one URL here in a client. Then your request passed. Then this page comes. After getting this page, you will enter hall ticket number. You will click submit button. Then this program will receive your hall ticket number. This program will communicate with database. Given hall ticket number is there or not, it will check. Suppose given hall ticket number is there. Given hall ticket number is there. This data loaded in this page. This output transferred to browser. Like this it works. One more request comes. Again, same process. First, you will type URL here. Then request comes to this page. This page comes to you and you will enter hall ticket number. You will click submit button. This page will receive. It will communicate with database. Given hall ticket number is there or not, it will check. This total code, data stored in this page. This output transferred to browser. Like this, any number of people at a time from any corner in the world can access this type of applications. Any number of people at a time from any corner in the world. Okay. That type of applications you are going to build in advanced Java class. Whatever you studied in core Java, it is just language. But here real-time Java starts. Java especially made for internet application. Internet application part begins from Soulet's topic. Next topic after JDBC. Okay. Like this you are going to build. But in this program, so many things I'm going to combine in this program. You observe. In this program, this one, if you want to develop, first of all, we required HTML. So this one, if you want to develop, HTML required. Even if you don't know HTML, no need to worry. Okay, you can understand in advanced Java class. What are the pages I'm going to explain? I'll cover. You can understand. But if you want to develop real-time project, you should require very depth. That's what separate batch got in. HTML, CSS, JavaScript batch also. Okay. Like this, if you want to create HTML required. This is if you want to design more attractive. This is if you want to design more attractive, CSS required. Okay. Now, here hall ticket number, suppose by mistake you will enter ABC. Suppose actually ABC format is wrong. Okay. Now this you may enter. When you click submit button, suppose client is in Hyderabad, server is in US. Client is in Hyderabad, server is in US. Then you will enter ABC. When you click submit button, ABC password to US. US program will receive. It will communicate with database. Entire database it will check. At last, invalid hall ticket number message comes. Then what is happened? Hyderabad to US. Network traffic waste. Server communicates with database. One process waste. That memory waste. That time waste. At last, you'll get a message invalid hall ticket number. But instead of doing that one, you can check the format. Whether you enter digit or alphabet, you can check with JavaScript. If it is digit, send. If it is not a digit, don't send. You can do that type of validations. That type of validations you can perform with JavaScript. So this program, if you want to develop, you require HTML. That program, if you want to create HTML, if you want to attractive, if you want to design CSS, the validation, if you want to perform JavaScript. Okay. After that, you'll click submit button. You'll click submit button. Then another program executed. No, this program nothing but Soulet. It advanced Java. Soulet program will receive. This Soulet program will receive. After receiving, it will communicate with database. That is only JDBC. So JDBC code we are going to write in Soulet. Next topic. Again we'll mix. So this communicates with database. But database doesn't know Java. We'll use SQL. And if complicated queries are there, PLSQL. SQL and PLSQL. Okay. Now, because in a JDBC, we'll write SQL, PLSQL code. SQL, PLSQL code will write. Then it will communicate with database. After that, result comes. After getting result, that content, again HTML. Here we'll use HTML again. That is, you can design more attractive CSS. Generally, we want to use JavaScript while sending result. That is, we'll use. In the place of Soulet only, automatic execution if you want Soulet listeners. If you want to add dynamic dispatching concept, we use filter. If you want easy, we'll use JSP. Like that, we'll combine. But these three you learn in HTML, CSS, JavaScript separate batch. This is you learn in Oracle class. This is you are going to learn in advanced Java class. But for learning JDBC Soulet, core Java class. See, whatever you studied in 3 classes, all I am going to combine in advanced Java class. That is advanced Java. This type of programs you are going to learn. That's the reason till those who didn't attend Oracle, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, you better to attend now itself parallelly or later. But at last you have to learn. But those who didn't complete core Java object-oriented programming, you better to wait for next advanced Java batch. Okay. But core Java knowledge is mandatory to learn advanced Java. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, even if you don't know, you can understand advanced Java class, not a problem. Even if you don't know SQL queries, PLSQL also, you can understand advanced Java, not a problem. But later you have to learn. Either now itself parallelly learn or later learn. But compulsory you have to learn. Okay. That is a concept. Now, what you are going to learn is JDBC. First topic. That is JDBC. What are the questions I asked? No, that is JDBC questions only asked. See. That type of programs starts from next topic. Solids. Okay. For solids, JDBC also compulsory. Last class, I given one diagram. Is it clear what exactly advanced Java? See. Here, one application will develop with Java. Then it is called a Java application. Any one database, for example, Oracle. It is Oracle database. Now, here, it is Java application. This application we are going to build with Java. That's what it is called, Java application. And it is one database. For example, Oracle database. The Java application communicating with database by using which language? SQL. That's what it is called, SQL request. It is called SQL response. Okay. Now, this is Java application. This is Oracle database. This application, if you want to build, we require JDBC. We require core Java. With that, we can build. So this one, if you want to develop, you require core Java, you require JDBC. Core Java, you already studied. You are learning JDBC. What exactly JDBC? I'll cover. It is specification. What is specification? I have to teach. This is you are going to build. This application communicating with database. Application communicating with database. Now, here, is it front end or back end? It is front end. It is back end. It is a front end. It is a back end. Okay. It is a front end. It is a back end. Okay. Front end, back end. Now, this is front end. This is back end. Can we see database? No. Can we see application? Yes, we can see application. We cannot see database. That is back end. We cannot see. Okay. Now, this is, can I call it a client? This is, can I call it a server? Yes, it is called a client. It is called a server. Okay. Now, whenever we install database application, whenever we install database software, how many parts installed? 2 parts. One is database application. Second one, the database application we are calling SQL prompt. We are calling SQL prompt. So actually, you observe, it is SQL prompt. It is SQL prompt. Okay. It is database. It is database. Now, any database, here any SQL prompt, leave it. Now, this SQL prompt communicating with database. Like this, you learn in an Oracle class. SQL request, SQL response. Like this. In a SQL prompt, you are writing SQL queries. Then query request passed to database. It will process. Response constructed, it will send back. That is you learn. But in Java, advanced Java class, what we will do? We are not going to use this one. We are going to build like a SQL prompt. That is Java application. My application communicating with database. That is you are going to see. That is a concept you are going to learn. So in Oracle class, what you did? In Oracle class, every day you opened SQL prompt. In Oracle class, every day you opened SQL prompt. There you typed SQL query. That query passed to database. You got a response. Like that you studied Oracle class. But now what we are going to do? Same SQL queries we are going to write in Java program. This program will send SQL request. This program will receive SQL response. That is you are going to learn in JDBC. After learning this code, I'll write in Servlet. Then it will become internet application. Then that program, any number of people at a time from any corner in the world can access. But with only this JDBC application, not possible. This is we have to place in Servlet. Servlet we have to place in server. Then worldwide possible. That is a concept. Okay. Present what you are learning? JDBC. With that JDBC, you are going to build this type of application. In this application, you'll write SQL queries, request password, response comes. That is your learning. Okay. Now you observe. Here SQL prompt I'll open. SQL plus see, it is one SQL command. SQL star plus SQL prompt. Here connect. Enter username system. Enter password manager. Connected. Okay. This is SQL prompt. This SQL prompt connected to Oracle database. This SQL prompt connected to Oracle database. Now, this is we are not going to use, but we are going to use database. This is we are not going to use. Instead of this, one Java program I'll write. Instead of this, one Java program. In that Java program, SQL queries you are going to learn. Now you observe this application connected no, with database. Connection purpose, one more software required. That software is called driver. That is one software, driver. Now, here, it is one SQL prompt. It is one SQL prompt. It is SQL prompt connected to Oracle database. SQL prompt connected to Oracle database. But how this is connected? With one software. That software is called driver. You should know about driver now. Because I want to connect through Java application and Oracle. For that one driver required. It is already predefined. It's already connected. But you are going to connect means you should know about that. That's what? Next concept, driver. Note down. Note down. Online students, listen the class. End of the session and clarify your doubts. Listen the class. Listen the class. Note down. A driver is a software. A driver is a software and it is used to connect application and database. A driver is a software and it is used to connect application and database. A driver is a software and it is used to connect application and database. If you want to connect application and database, we require one software. That software is called driver. But why it is called driver, I'll explain. Now, you observe. A driver is a software and it is used to connect application and database. Noted? driver softwares are developed by I'll explain. See, while downloading some driver softwares, one message comes. It is a third party driver. Whether you trust or not, or scanning like a virus free software, scanning viruses purpose, it will check on software, no antivirus softwares. It will give one messages. So some message come. It is third party software, third party software. Like always, third party, most of the times appears while installing on some softwares in internet. It shows third party, third party. But first of all, who is first party? Who is second party? Later third party, no? What is first party? What is second party? What is third party? Here, drivers are developed by first party also, second party also, third party also. Three parties can be developed. Now that is I'll give. Drivers are developed by, driver softwares are developed by first party vendors. Vendors nothing but companies, comma, second party vendors and third party vendors. Driver softwares are developed by first party vendors, second party vendors and third party vendors. Driver softwares are developed by first party vendors, second party vendors and third party vendors. Is it all? See, a driver is a software and it is used to connect application and database. Application is a software. Database is one more software. That software, this software, if you want to connect, one more software required. That software is driver. Okay. If you want to connect application and database, what is application? Software. What is database? Software. These two softwares, if you want to connect, one more software required. That software is called driver. Even hardware, if you want to connect, one software required. That software also driver. Suppose you want to connect printer to laptop. Possible or not possible? Possible. Printer supported driver software required. Then only possible. Okay. You are connecting scanner. Scanner supported software required. Then only can connect. Mobile. Can we connect to mobile? Yes. Supported driver is there. You can connect. All mobiles can you connect? No. That is supported driver software is there. You can connect. Otherwise, not possible. Like that. So many electronic gadgets are there in the market. Can you connect all? No. Supported softwares are there. Connection possible. Those softwares are called drivers. Printer supported driver, keyboard supported driver, mouse supporting driver. These are possible. Connect. That's what connected. Driver softwares are there. Whenever we install Windows operating system, so many drivers installed by default. Without asking your permission, many installed. Okay, like that. Keyboard purpose also on software, mouse also on software, printer also on software, scanner also on software. Drivers, many drivers were there. Okay. These drivers are developed by first party vendor, second party vendor, third party vendor. See, for example, here, it is one application. It's a one database. So an application, it's a one database. Here one software driver. This application driver, this is connected. This application is one software. This database, one more software. These two software connected with one more software. This software is called driver. But why it is called driver? Say, here from application, you'll send request. Your request transferred client to server. Response comes from server to client. Here, your request traveled. Your response traveled. So nothing but client to server. Some data transferred, no? Data transferred. Again the data, server to client. Again it comes. traveling purpose driver required, no? That's what driver. This data traveled one location to another location. Traveling done through driver software. That's what name given driver. That's it. Okay. Here, this data traveled through driver software. Data traveled through some software. That software name they given driver. Okay, like that. Now, this driver can be developed by first party vendor, second party vendor, third party vendor. What is first party? What is second party? What is third party? I'll explain. Suppose this is assume Java program. Java developed by which company? Sun Microsystem. Okay. Now hand over to Oracle. Okay. But developed by Sun Microsystem. Suppose this is Java application. This is Oracle database. It is Oracle database. Okay. Now, Oracle database developed by which company? Oracle Corporation. Now, but this software can be developed by Sun Microsystem also, Oracle Corporation also, other than these two companies also. Suppose these people, they want to develop this driver software. Then these people, they have to take the permission from these people. Then only they can develop. Suppose these people, they want to develop this software. This software they want to develop. These people, they have to take the permission from these people. So, application vendor, if they want to develop driver software, they have to take the permission from database vendor. Database vendor, they want to develop their driver software, means they have to take the permission from application vendor. Now, suppose other company, they want to develop driver. These people, they have to take the permission from both. Now, here, if this driver software developed by this company, that is called first party vendor. If this driver software developed by this company, that is called second party vendor. If this driver software developed by other than these two companies, that is called third party vendor. That is third party. But fourth party will not be there. Okay. Remaining all companies are third party. 1, 2, 3. That's it. First party, second party, third party. Other than these two companies, third party. Other than these two companies, third party. Okay. Fourth party will not be there. Without taking permission, if they develop, we cannot trust. That may be virus. That may be worm. That may be Trojan horse. We cannot predict. Okay. That is no one will trust. Without taking permission if they develop. Without taking permission if they develop, that may be virus software. Name will be driver only, but that maybe virus will be there. That type of softwares, no one will use. Software companies will not use. We will use software companies. What we'll do generally? Suppose one media file is there. Okay, one media file. Now, one media file, one movie is there. Suppose one movie, 1 GB movie is there. In that movie, one comedy clip, 5 minutes clip is there. Comedy. That bit you want to cut from that movie. One software required, no? Movie cutter required. Okay. What we'll do? We'll open Google. Movie cutter free download. We'll type like that only, no? Generally, we'll do like that only. Now, you want to cut one piece of that movie. One piece you want to cut. Movie cutter software required. You'll open Google. Movie cutter free download. So many movie cutters comes. First link, whichever comes, you'll download. You'll install. But how do you know that is movie cutter or not? We cannot trust. That is free software you are buying, you are using. That may be virus. That may be virus. You install your virus, your total operating system may be corrupted. Who knows? That is original software or not? Who knows? Like that. That type of softwares, software company will never trust. Suppose if they require one software, definitely they'll purchase. Definitely they'll purchase. That's what official websites we have to prefer. unofficial website, we cannot trust. How many fake softwares are there? How many genuine softwares are there in internet? Which is fake, which is genuine, very difficult to identify. Even Android apps also. How many are there? So many are there. Very difficult to identify. Suppose you want ICICI app. Open Play Store, ICICI type. How many ICICI apps comes? Which is genuine, which is fake? Very difficult. You will install, you will enter your details. They'll hack your data. You won't see anything. That's what. Suppose ICICI people, they'll give one website URL. That is, you type in browser, you will get it URL. There it appears that logo, icon, and Google Play Store, iPhone Store. These all it will show. No, based on that you have to download. But generally they won't see these all. You want the ICICI, they'll type in Play Store. ICICI apps many comes. Then they'll install one software. In that only they'll enter their details. Then other people will receive your data. That you are doing mistake. It's happening. Nowadays, very difficult to manage. That much data is there, that many fake apps are there, but the genuine apps are there. Which is genuine, which is fake, very difficult to identify nowadays. It's happening. Okay. So that's what software companies, what they'll do, only paid software they'll see, they'll take. Now, you requirements, what will happen? You'll install, you'll use. That may be virus. Then if it is virus, your Windows is not working properly. Oh, you'll open format. Again, you will install Windows. Will they do like that, software companies? Never. So much information will be there. If they do format all those things, they'll do troubleshoot only. But here generally what we'll do, if any problem comes, format. Always will format. Like that will do. They won't do like that. Okay. That's what they'll see. They'll purchase software. Paid softwares only they'll trust. They won't take free softwares generally. Okay. Like this, driver softwares are developed by first party vendor, second party vendor, third party vendor. Who is first party? Who is second party? For example, suppose it is Java application. It is Oracle database. Oracle database. Here one driver. Here one driver. This Java developed by which company? Sun Microsystem. So here this company name Sun Microsystem. This company name Oracle Corporation. Okay. Oracle Corporation. First write this diagram. Write this diagram. Java application, Oracle database. Driver. With advanced Java knowledge, learning frameworks becomes easy. Any framework you can learn with advanced Java knowledge. Frameworks are nothing but ready-made programs. Maximum code already present. You have to open, you have to customize according to your requirement. But that is not so easy. If you are perfect in advanced Java, it becomes easy. That's it. Is it over? Now, if this driver developed by Sun Microsystem company, then that Sun Microsystem company is called first party vendor. If this driver developed by Oracle Corporation, then that company called second party vendor. Other than these two companies developed, that is called third party vendor. But if they want to, these people, if they want to develop that driver, they have to take the permission from this company. If these people, if they want to develop driver, they have to take the permission from this company. If any other company, if they want to develop, they have to take the permission from both the companies. That is compulsory. Then only that software we can trust. Without taking permission, if they take, we cannot trust. That is problem. That those softwares are we are calling pirated software like that. Okay, different terminology we are using. Is it over? No done. In the above example, Sun Microsystems is a first party vendor, comma, Oracle Corporation is a second party vendor. And other than Sun Microsystem, and Oracle Corporation, other than Sun Microsystem and Oracle Corporation is a third party vendor. In the above example, Sun Microsystems is a first party vendor. Oracle Corporation is a second party vendor. And other than Sun Microsystems and Oracle Corporation is a third party vendor. In the above example, Sun Microsystems is a first party vendor, Oracle Corporation is second party vendor, and other than Sun Microsystems and Oracle Corporation is a third party vendor. Okay. So driver software required. Driver software required. Okay. Now, Nodal, is it clear? First of all, what is the driver? Driver is on software. It is used to connect application and database. Application and database, if you want to connect, one software required. That software is called driver. Now, when Java came and exists in the market, 1995. 1995 December, 96 January, at that time Java introduced in the market. At that time, these before Java, they connected databases with ODBC drivers. First starting ODBC drivers were there. Later JDBC drivers came. Now here ODBC, JDBC, that concept is there. Now I'll explain. There are two categories of drivers. First one, ODBC, Open Database Connectivity Drivers. Second one, JDBC, Java Database Connectivity Drivers. There are two categories of drivers. First one, ODBC, second one, JDBC. See, ODBC, JDBC, Open Database Connectivity, Java Database Connectivity, two categories of drivers. Here, every database, one separate driver was there, separate driver. Starting, only ODBC was there. Later, JDBC drivers came. Now, our Java program, if you want to connect to Oracle database, one driver software required. The driver starting, ODBC was there. Later, JDBC came. But why ODBC, JDBC, why two categories? What is the benefit with JDBC? Everything I'll explain. Now, what is the problem with ODBC? Why JDBC came in the market? These all I'll explain. Drivers, little bit confusion will be there. You have to listen with more concentration. Okay. See, already I started subject Saturday class only. Every class important only. I'm not teaching unnecessary subject. What industry required, that is I'll teach. That's it. Okay. Unnecessary, no need to learn. If I teach history, all those things, so many topics, concepts will be there. That is time waste. That's it. Now, necessary subject, I'll cover, I'll finish like that. Now, here there are two categories of drivers, ODBC drivers, JDBC drivers. Starting, ODBC drivers. Okay. Now, this is actually now no need to learn. It's outdated in Java. I'll show you just understanding purpose. Here, if you open ODBC, if you type here, just you observe in a search bar, I typed ODBC. Then we got it here, ODBC app. You observe here app, ODBC data sources 32-bit app, ODBC data sources 64-bit app. Like this, we got it. It is not required. Just I'll show. It is outdated. 8 years back only it is outdated. No need to learn. Just understanding purpose. I'll take just I'll show. If you click, it's one dialog box. You observe. This dialog box comes with Windows operating system only, not installed separately. With Windows only it will come. In this, if you click add button, here these are drivers. See, selected driver. So here so many drivers are there. You observe. Here these many drivers. If you scroll down, see, so many drivers are there. No? See, ODBC driver 17 for SQL Server native. Here, like this, we have drivers. Here, Microsoft ODBC for Oracle. This is a driver for Oracle database. So, there are hundreds of databases. Last class only given, Saturday class. Hundreds of databases are in the market. Every database, one separate driver is there. See, ODBC for Oracle, ODBC for MS Access, ODBC for Sybase, ODBC for DBase. Like that list of drivers. These all many drivers. Even driver is not there in this list. You suppose you are using one database, ABC database. ABC supported driver is not there. You can install. Whenever you install, that is also appears here only. That means all ODBC drivers are the part of ODBC tool. It is called one tool. It is one software. In this software appears. Okay. First that point note down. All ODBC drivers are the part of ODBC tool. All ODBC drivers are the part of ODBC tool. All ODBC drivers are the part of ODBC tool. Now it is theory you are learning within a 1-2 classes. Maybe tomorrow I'll start programming related. Okay. Then for core Java concepts compulsory. You prepare and come. Abstract class interface you prepare and come. It is compulsory. Okay. All ODBC drivers are the part of ODBC tool. Now you observe with the diagrammatically you'll get a more clarity. Suppose it's a one database. It is one more database. It is one more database. You observe, for example, here, it is Oracle database. Uh, for example, it is MySQL database. Here, DB2 database, Derby database, like this, Postgres database, like this, so many database, dash, so many. Oracle, MySQL, MS SQL Server, Sybase, DBase, FoxPro, Visual FoxPro, Postgres, MongoDB, so many drivers, databases. For Oracle purpose, one driver. Oracle purpose, one driver. Here, ODBC driver for Oracle. It's one driver. ODBC driver for MySQL. It's a one more driver. ODBC driver for another database. Like this. It is one driver. It is one more driver. Now, these all ODBC drivers. Many drivers you have seen already in the dialog box. All are the part of ODBC tool. It is ODBC tool. Here, all are already present in this tool. In this tool, already present. Like this. Okay. These all ODBC drivers are present in ODBC tool. Okay. Now, these are individual softwares. These softwares already included in this software. Now, before Java, non-Java applications. Before Java, non-Java applications. Non-Java applications. Before Java, non-Java. What they did is they connected to ODBC tool. They connected to ODBC tool. Now, what they did is non-Java, before Java language. Before Java language only ODBC was there. Before Java language only databases were there. Java came in 1995. Before 95 only so many databases were present. Okay. At the time so many drivers were present. So many other languages were present. At the time non-Java, other than Java, what they did is they want to connect to Oracle. They opened ODBC tool. They selected ODBC driver for Oracle and connected to Oracle database. Okay. Non-Java, they want to connect to MySQL. What they did is they opened ODBC tool. They selected micro ODBC for MySQL. With that, they connected to this database. Like this, connections established. After that, they performed task. Like this, they did. Like this, they did. Okay. Later, Java came. When Java came, what is happened? I have to explain. Now, first write this diagram. This knowledge is required for programming. Non-Java applications, ODBC tool, ODBC driver for Oracle, ODBC driver for MySQL, ODBC driver for DB2, Derby, Fox Pro, Visual Fox Pro, Sybase, DBase, MS Access, Postgres, so many. And Oracle database, MySQL database, so many databases. So starting, they did like this before Java. When Java came, what is happened? What is the problem with? I'll explain. Non-Java applications, they connected with databases by using ODBC drivers. Now, ODBC drivers are one driver or many drivers? Many drivers. Every database separate. Every database separate. Okay. This driver only for Oracle. This driver only for MySQL. This driver only for DB2, Derby, like that. All ODBC drivers are the part of this tool. Suppose non-Java, other than Java, any other language. Those people, what they did, first they selected ODBC tool. They connected to tool. In this tool, they selected one driver based on their requirement. If Oracle required, Oracle driver selected. MySQL database required, MySQL driver selected. Like that, they connected. Like this, they connected. Okay. Non-Java applications uses ODBC drivers to connect databases. But when Java came, what is happened? I'll explain. Is it over? No, not done. Non-Java applications uses ODBC drivers. Non-Java application uses ODBC drivers to connect databases. Non-Java application uses ODBC drivers to connect databases. See, initially what they did is Java application also same style they connected. Now, see, first initially non-Java application uses ODBC drivers to connect databases. Like that they use it. Later Java came in the market. Then same style they connected. Same style Java application uses ODBC to connect a database. Like that use it. But connection failed here only. Connection failed. Why connection failed? Same non-Java style only they connected with databases by using ODBC drivers. Connection failed. There was no compatibility between Java application and ODBC tool. There was no compatibility between Java application and ODBC tool. That is the reason JDBC drivers introduced. Okay. There was no compatibility. First, what they did, you observe, JDBC also so many concepts are there. JDBC drivers also. Type 1 driver, type 2 driver, types are there. This is a little bit confusion. If you listen with concentration, you'll understand. Same style they connected, but connection failed here only. Whatever Java application passing instruction this ODBC not understanding. Okay. See, one general example I'll take, you'll get a more clarity. Suppose our Prime Minister came to Hyderabad, assume. Okay. Prime Minister came to Hyderabad, he started speech in English. But your audience, they don't know English. Assume. Okay. Prime Minister is giving speech in English, but audience are not understanding. Audience, they know Telugu, but Prime Minister knows English. Prime Minister doesn't know Telugu, audience doesn't know English. Assume. Now he's continuously giving speech in English, English, but one statement also they are not understanding. How to solve this situation? What is that? Translator. Okay. One translator will come, he'll translate statement by statement, translated, completed. Okay. Situation solved. But what is the disadvantage with the translator? Any disadvantage there or not? Yes. What is the disadvantage? Time consuming. Actually, Prime Minister, he has to spend in Hyderabad 1 hour. Because of translation, it will become 2 hours. He has to spend 2 hours. Okay. So, one problem is time consuming. Time consuming. Actually, Prime Minister has to spend 1 hour only. Because of translation, he is spending 2 hours. 1 hour is wasting. Okay. Now, this type of translation, first, what they did is same like a translation. Here, one translator developed. Here, connection failed. Here, connection failed. Then, here, translator used. What this translator will do, it will translates. This is developed one software, translator software. What this software will do, it will translates Java instructions into ODBC understandable format. Okay. Java instruction, ODBC understandable format, it will translates. Then situation solved. But problem is translation time wasted, time consuming. But this actually Java made for internet application. Like what will happen? This application will pass the instruction, then this translator will translate to ODBC, then uses one driver, then connected. It will take more time. Communication slow. But in internet, 1 second also people are not waiting. You know very well. Okay. Little bit slow. They'll go for next website. Okay. Alternative many are there. You see, you want advanced Java tutorial. What will do? You'll open Google. Advanced Java tutorial. So many sites comes. First link will click. It shows loading. Will you wait? Second website. Why waiting? Already thousands of tutorials are there. Alternative is not there. You'll wait. Alternative is there. No one will wait. Okay. Then they'll go for second website. Like that. Here in internet application, if translation, if it is done, time wasted. Time wasted. Okay. This is how to solve. Any other solution? Okay. This is one problem is there with translator. Now, Prime Minister came to Hyderabad. He given speech in English, but audience are not understanding. To solve the situation, one translator came, he translated, over, finished. But in future, any other solution is there for that? Okay, general example only. This one later, general example. Any other solutions? What is that? Now, Prime Minister is giving speech in English. Audience not understanding. To solve that situation, one solution, translator. That is immediate solution. Any other solutions are there? Prime Minister has to learn Telugu. Okay, one more solution. Next, all audience should learn English. Now total 3 solutions. Like translator one solution, Prime Minister has to learn Telugu one solution, all audience should learn English one solution. Okay. Immediate solution, which one? Translator. Translator only immediate. But immediately Prime Minister cannot learn Telugu, audience cannot learn English. Okay, first immediate solution, translator. With the translator, time consuming. That is the reason at least the next visit. Again, maybe 1 month or 2 months, the next Prime Minister visit. Before that only, either Prime Minister should learn Telugu or audience should learn English. Which is better? Prime Minister learning Telugu better. Okay. See, in core Java, some assignments I given. I asked always every 10 days, 20 days, how many people did assignments I asked. Out of 200, 300 students, also 10% people also not completed. What will say? I'm not getting time to do assignment. Will Prime Minister get a time? You are only feeling like a Prime Minister. While giving core Java assignment, 10%, 20% people also not completed all assignments. 10-20% people also not completed assignments in core Java class. But will Prime Minister will get a time to learn Telugu? Suppose Prime Minister learn Telugu. Later he'll go to Karnataka. What will happen? He has to learn Kannada. He'll go to some Tamil Nadu. For learning all languages in India, 5 years it will take. One more Prime Minister will come. Now, learning Prime Minister Telugu better or learning audience English better? Audience, if they learn English, it is more better. Later, any Prime Minister, English will give, will understand like that. Okay. Here also, you observe. First, immediate solution, translator. But translator, time consuming. Then what we have to do? Either we have to change the Java or we have to change these drivers. Which one is better? Changing Java better or changing drivers better? Changing Java, nothing but Prime Minister learning Telugu. Okay. Developing new drivers means audience learning English. That type. Which is better? Audience learning English better. Here, changing Java, nothing but Java is a very big software. These drivers are small softwares as compared to Java. Java is a very big software. Changing Java software or developing new drivers. Developing new drivers better. That is the reason new driver, JDBC drivers came. When JDBC driver came, this driver outdated. New drivers came. These drivers are not required. But Java not changed. Java as it is. They introduced new drivers. With that, they connected. Like that, they developed application. It is not completed. Tomorrow, I'll continue. But in a classroom, while teaching, 5 members I observed, they are concentrating on mobiles only. 5 members I observed. 5 members continuously. Continuously, almost in a classroom, half an hour class also, they didn't listen properly. That is, you know very well whether used or not. My eyes on everyone while teaching. Then what will happen? Attending class is wasted. No use. I observed 5 members, more than 5 will be there. I observed 5, more than 5 will be there. Then attending class is waste, no use. Okay. We'll see continuation tomorrow. It is not completed. Online student, just wait 2 minutes. I'll clarify your doubts. Online students, 1 minute, one by one, I'll clarify your doubts. Online students. Online students, 1 minute, one by one, I'll clarify your doubts. Ranjan, course duration 2 months. 2 months required. 2 months or maximum 2 months, 10 days like that required. And A. Instead of writing and A, your numbers, all those things, you can write your name, no? That is check Naresh Reddy website. Many faculties are there. Listen the demo, whichever you like, you can continue. All are teaching well in Naresh Reddy. No need to worry. Lokeshwar, tomorrow same link. Tomorrow same link. Vamshi. No need to install that tool. It comes with Java software operating system. Muninder, 2009, you completed MSc Computer Science. Okay. Yeah, chances are there. So many chances are there if you have a skills. Amol, I'll teach with IDE, Eclipse. Tanvir, core like a JDBC, Soulet, JSP, all I'll mix. One MVC program I'll cover. That is only like a project. If you want real-time project, you must learn one framework. That is you can include in your resume. Vamshi. I'll explain. Which software you have to install, what you have to install, everything I'll cover. Don't worry. Arti. Yeah, I'm teaching all full stack Java complete I can teach, including HTML, CSS, JavaScript also. Dikshita. Development, security operation, Angular, Spring, these three courses. Just contact admin only better when they are going to arrange. They will decide. And A. Which course? It is for full stack Java student. It is free. No need to pay. Arati. Uh, Starting full stack Java starting you want, just contact admin only. That is your starting means core Java you have to learn. Vineet, after JDBC Solets. and A. You write your name better, no? That is, you contact admin only, because full stack Java students, separate batches are there. Mohammad Taha. Next batch, it will take 1 month, minimum 1 month. Arati. Contact admin, otherwise check Naresh ID website. Venkatesh. Oops, complete required, but abstract class interfaces most important. Starting required. Taha. It is not possible in 1 month. It takes 2 months minimum. It is possible, but all are not perfect in core Java. If it is perfect, it is possible. Padmanabha Raju. JDBC's drivers also are there. Yes. Pushpendra. 2 months minimum, maximum 2 months, 10 days. Kishore. Yeah, you can start after solid introduction, Spring Boot parallelly. Dikshita. Spring Boot only present market, but Spring Basics 3 modules required to learn Spring Boot. Nivedita. Timings, just check it in Naresh IT website. Ranjan. Frameworks knowledge also nowadays required. They're asking. Sai Chen. Notes I'll share in Google Drive or Google Classroom. You have to wait. 4 5 days you have to wait. Janak. That is contact admin only. Have no idea. Arti. If you want to learn JDBC core Java, minimum knowledge required. Then only you can understand JDBC. It is starting only. 3 classes completed. That 3 classes videos are there in chat box, no? You can listen. Only 3 classes completed. Only 3 classes. Tanvir. These are private jobs. Only skills required. Arti, you are asking core Java class or advanced Java class. Full stack Java means you have to start with core Java, not in advanced Java. Sai, this is only upcasting. And A. Technical doubts I can teach, but batch details, contact admin, I have no idea. Prajwal. Drive link, you need to wait. Padmanabha Raju. Frequently check website or contact admin or call to Naresh ID front office also. When a website numbers are there, no? See, in Naresh ID website, you can check course schedule. First link only. These all you can see all. Here Oracle course is there, 7:30 p.m., 11th December. Attend. Notes you have to wait. Sai Chen. Full stack Java, complete details are there. You can click, you can see in a website. Complete information available. Wajim. Spring Boot, Microsoft, the duration depends on faculty. Whichever class you attend, that class faculty you have to ask. Nivedita. Placement, they'll conduct one screening test. If you pass, they'll provide freely. Venkatesh, skills are only skills required. Put efforts, work hard. Sai, yeah, with advanced Java, with only core Java knowledge also jobs are there. With only core Java knowledge also jobs are there. Ravi Kumar, yeah, MVC, I'll teach. All I'll mix like a mini project. We'll see continuation tomorrow. Any other doubts? Prakash, offline screening test will be there. After completion of core Java, advanced Java, Oracle, you have to attend. That is management people only, they'll decide when they are going to conduct. That is, you have to contact admin only or call to front office. We'll see continuation tomorrow. Kapil, yeah, if not possible, attend next batch. Recordings will not be provided, no recordings. Hassan, already one number is there in chat box. You see, 1 minute. Admin number is there. One minute. This is admin number. WhatsApp to this number, you'll get it. HTML, CSS, JavaScript course duration also 2 months. We'll see continuation tomorrow.